Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and guess what? Monday has come around again. Time to get the little collage book out and do the Margarete Miller prompts. So we are at week 35, and the prompts are something found in an office, a brown paper or a paper bag piece, a game or a puzzle piece, something that is alive, a barcode, and the bonus is light, whatever that means to you. So I have my little bundle organised, and something found in an office. So I have created a little office scene. So I have my brown paper bag wallpaper. So there's a brown wall in this office. There is a big old-fashioned desk which sits on the floor. The floor in the office is white and the ceiling is white, and from the ceiling hangs a light. And in this office there is a telephone, an old-fashioned telephone. It's a very old office, and of course a plant that sits on this person's desk. And because it's a bare white floor, they've got a little stripy rug. And there's our little office scene. I don't know that there's many offices these days look like that. I'm sure they don't have those telephones anymore. I know we don't. So I have something found in an office, which is the phone and the desk. Brown paper bag is my wallpaper. A game or puzzle piece is the thing that I've switched out for the light. Something that's alive is my plant, and a barcode. I have fringed the edges of this barcode from packaging and made it into a little rug. Oh dear, I'm amusing myself today. I'm finding this one really quite funny. So, excuse me, time to stick it down. So let's just move all those pieces to the side and get the wallpaper down first. I'm just going to use my glue stick and my old magazine. So it's Sunday today, and we are going out for Sunday dinner today. First time we've been out for, Sunday lunch. First time we've been out for Sunday lunch for a long time. But there's a local, or fairly local, it's about 10 minutes in a car, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Hotel has been refurbished all through lockdown. They practically rebuilt it. Took it down to a shell, and it's been there a long time, so it's nice to see it open again. And they have added a terrace to the front of the hotel, along the front of the hotel, and it's dog friendly. So we thought, it's been open a while, well, maybe about 6 months or so it's been open, reopened, and we thought we'll give it the initial opening time to get settled, because sometimes places aren't quite up to scratch when they just open, things haven't quite settled, and then we'll go. So today's the day. We booked a table out on the terrace, and I'm looking forward to Sunday lunch. We'll have, I don't know whether we'll have roast beef or roast lamb or chicken, all the trimmings. Got my little rug down first, and now I am going to put, so I'm looking forward to that today. And then we'll come home. Millie will get a nice walk and we'll walk off for Sunday lunch, and then we'll watch some telly. Yeah, let's get this lamp down next, which is magically hanging from mid-air, but you know, it's collage world, nothing's real. Okay. So we watched another old Bond last night, Saturday night. Which one was it? Oh, Goldfinger. I have to say, Goldfinger is really quite funny. It's the one, I don't know if you watch the old Bonds, probably everybody's seen them. It's the one where Goldfinger is trying to make Fort Knox radioactive so that nobody can use the gold, as you do. And so there's all the girls flying all the little aeroplanes with gas coming out to make all the soldiers collapse and go to sleep. But of course the gas has been swapped, and so when they fly over Fort Knox and all the soldiers just instantly collapse on the ground, it's quite funny, because how would that, I know I'm trying to be realistic here, but how would that even happen? But anyway. There. I think I'm quite liking this one of my quirky ones. So somebody's working away at that office. There we are. What do you think? I think it looks a nice office to work in. A rug, wallpaper and a lamp. So we've got something found in an office. We've got a brown paper bag. We've got something that's alive. We've got barcode, and we've got a light. So there we are. That's today's Monday collage, and thanks for joining me. Take care, be good. I'll see you next time, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up. Bye for now.